Most people spend their lives working for money and die without understanding it. They chase after the clock, sacrificing hours, health, and dreams, believing that one day, when they manage to have more, they will finally be free. But there's an uncomfortable truth. It's not money that changes your life. It's you who changes money. Look around you. There are people who, with the same effort as you, with the same 24 hours a day, achieve extraordinary results. And others who have spent years going around in circles, repeating the same mistakes, living the same days. Do you know the difference? They understood something that others ignore. Your personal growth always precedes your financial growth. Your job doesn't transform you. Your degree doesn't define you. Not even money gives you security. What truly changes your destiny is the person you are becoming. If you truly want to be free, happy, and prosperous for the rest of your life, you must learn a lesson that most people never hear. Work more on yourself than on your job. Before continuing, if this is making you think, subscribe now and turn on notifications, because what's coming up might change the way you see money and life. Many people think, if I had more money, my problems would disappear. But money, without the right mindset, slips through your fingers. Money doesn't solve your problems. It only amplifies what you already are. If someone gives you $1 million today, that money won't last if you continue to think like someone who's afraid of losing it. That's why so many lottery winners end up bankrupt, and so many entrepreneurs who started from scratch become millionaires. It's not luck, it's mindset. Money always flows to those who are ready to handle it. And if tomorrow all the money in the world were distributed equally, in a few years it would once again concentrate in the same pockets. Not because the system is unfair, but because the human mind follows its own patterns. Success isn't pursued. Success is attracted. Don't chase opportunities, become the kind of person who creates them. Because happiness isn't in what you get, but in who you become during the process. Think about it. How many times have you achieved something you wanted, a goal, a promotion, a purchase, and shortly afterward felt the same? That happens because true satisfaction isn't in the result, it's in the transformation you underwent while achieving it. The person who loses 10 kilos isn't proud just of the number on the scale, but because they learned discipline, consistency, and self love. The entrepreneur who earns their first $10,000 doesn't smile just because of the number, but because they now know how to create wealth. Success isn't about the outcome, it's about the person you've become. Now listen to this. I'm going to give you 3 fundamental steps to change your life from within, without magic formulas, without smoke and mirrors, without false promises. Just real inner work. Step 1. Discover how the game works. Most people believe their problems stem from a lack of money. But money isn't the cause, it's the symptom. Your current financial situation is simply a reflection of your ideas, your habits, and your decisions. It's not a lack of money, it's a lack of vision. It's not a lack of opportunities, it's a lack of preparation to see them. That's why the first key is simple: study. Study wealth, happiness, and success. Make it a daily habit. Dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to learning something new that brings you closer to your best self. Because a single idea can save you 5 years of mistakes. A single book can give you the courage you lack today. What book are you reading now that's helping you grow? Leave it in the comments. It might inspire someone else. Step 2. Take action. Knowledge without action becomes noise. Many read, listen, attend courses, but do nothing. Inspiration without discipline is just entertainment. Start small, get up early, keep your promises, take care of your body, manage your money. Do what you said you would do, even when you don't feel like it. That's true discipline, remembering who you said you were going to be. Don't wait for the big opportunity. Create habits that prepare you for when it arrives. Every day you keep your promises to yourself, you become stronger. And believe me, big challenges will come. But when they do, you'll already have the mindset to face them. Don't be an expert in theories without results. Be a learner in motion. Take action. Always. Step 3. Live with integrity in a world full of shortcuts. The most valuable thing is doing things right. Many look for the quick fix, the easy way out, the silent trap. But shortcuts come at a high price. They rob you of your character. Real success isn't built on lies, it's built on principles. Do the right thing even when no one is watching. Move slowly if necessary, but never stop moving forward cleanly. Because success without integrity becomes failure in disguise. Imagine someone with no money, no connections, no education, everything stacked against them. But one day they decide to read every day, listen to mentors, observe how winners think. They start changing small things, their way of speaking, their routine, their environment. And over time, their life is completely transformed. Not because the world changed, but because they changed first. Now ask yourself, who could you become if you work on yourself every day for the next 5 years? Visualize it. Write it down. Describe how you will live, what habits you will have, what kind of person you will be. This exercise activates your mind to build that version of yourself. It's not fantasy, it's conscious mental programming. There are 3 ways to acquire wisdom: reading, listening, and observing. Read what others have discovered through years of experience. Listen to the successful, but also to those who have failed. You can learn from both. And observe. Because success leaves traces. It's in the small gestures, how someone greets you, how they use their time, how they face problems. Which of these 3 methods teaches you the most? Reading, listening, or observing? Leave it in the comments. Life is giving you a choice. Continue as always, waiting for something to change. Or decide that today you will be the one to change. The next 5 years will be a reflection of the last 5, unless you do something different today. You don't need to change everything. Just start. And don't stop. Remember this: your environment is more powerful than your willpower. If you surround yourself with 5 negative people, you'll end up drained. If you surround yourself with 5 mediocre people, you'll end up doubting yourself. But if you surround yourself with dreamers, your mind expands. If you surround yourself with disciplined people, your pace improves. If you surround yourself with people with a wealth mindset, your worldview will never be the same. Take stock of your relationships. Ask yourself, does this person lift me up or hold me back? It's not about judging, but about protecting your energy. Surround yourself with those who uplift you, because your success is a reflection of the conversations you have every day. And never forget, time is more valuable than money. Lost money can be recovered, but every minute that passes is gone forever. Ask yourself, what are you spending your time on? Are you building your future or giving away your present? Are you investing time in your health, your family, your personal growth? Some people work 10 hours a day and don't get anywhere, because it's not about working more, but about working with purpose. I propose a challenge. For the next 7 days, track how you use your time, hour by hour. And at the end, look at it honestly. How much of that time actually brought you closer to your best self? This exercise might be painful, but it can also be a wake-up call. Because when you value your time, you begin to live with intention. Remember, money comes and goes, but time waits for no one. Take care of it. Invest it. Protect it. That's where true wealth lies. Today you have the power to change your life. Not tomorrow, not someday. Today. Every book read, every idea implemented, every action taken brings you closer to your best self. Don't settle for who you are now, because within you lies immense potential waiting to be unleashed. If this message is inspiring you, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Join this community of people who have chosen to grow from the inside out. And leave a comment with the phrase, "I choose to grow," to seal your commitment today. Share this video with someone who needs it, because perhaps that person is just one idea away from changing their entire life. Remember, success isn't chased, it's attracted. And the way to attract it is simple: work more on yourself than on anything else. Your future is waiting for you, and it starts now.